Welcome back, guys, to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this frog pounding game. So it's rated for 18 months and older. So guys, check this out. This is really cute. So you got all these different ones. So carrots in here and just these different ones. Let's show you guys the sides. So on this side you have a little clock. On this side it spins. Clock on the other side. And you have a little kind of like a play piano. And then, of course, the main attraction is these little guys here. So the carrots are placed down in here. You also have all these cute little animals on the top here. And you guys just play with it. So the little worm guys go right in here, the small ones. So it's just a game. It helps develop their brains. It helps create creative thinking and growth.